How to fix not remove. App Store payment methods. Lets me know you. First open your App Store. Then tap on Profile Photo. Then tap on your Apple ID name or profile. Then tap on Manage Payment. Scroll down. Then tap on Remove Payment Method. Then tap on Remove. Here's the problem. I know all. Unable to remove. There is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. Then tap on Back and tap on Profile Photo. Then tap on your Apple ID name or profile. Then tap on Subscription. Then tap on Active Subscription. Then tap on Cancel Subscription. Then tap on Confirm. Then tap on Subscription. Then tap on Back. Then tap on Manage Payments. Then tap on Remove Payment Method. Your payment method has been removed.